If you've accidentally deleted messages on DAZN and want to recover them, follow these steps to attempt recovery. Keep in mind that recovery options may vary based on the platform you're using. Step 1. Check the app's trash or archive. Many apps have a trash or archive feature where deleted messages may be temporarily stored. Open the DAZN app and look for any options related to deleted items. Step 2. Review your email notifications. If you receive email notifications for messages on DAZN, check your email inbox for any messages that might still be accessible. Search for keywords related to deleted messages. Step 3. Contact DAZN customer support. If you cannot find the messages through the app or email, reach out to DAZN customer support. Provide them with details about the messages you wish to recover and they may assist you. Step 4. Check other devices. If you use DAZN on multiple devices, check them all. Sometimes, messages may still be available on another device where you haven't deleted them. Step 5. Regular backups. For feature prevention, consider regularly backing up your messages or important information. Look into options for backing up data on your device or using third-party applications. In conclusion, recovering deleted messages can be challenging, but by following these steps, you may be able to retrieve important information. Always remember to back up your data to avoid future losses.